Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil on a Honda Accord V6. First, ensure your engine is slightly warm, but not hot, for optimal oil flow. This guide will walk you through each step, from gathering your supplies to safely disposing of the old oil. Performing regular oil changes is crucial for engine longevity and performance, saving you money in the long run. Before you begin, gather all your supplies. You'll need approximately 4½ quarts of the correct engine oil, a new oil filter, and a filter wrench. Don't forget a drain pan, a ratchet with the appropriate socket for your drain plug, and some shop rags. Safety glasses and gloves are also highly recommended to protect yourself. Now, let's drain the old oil. First, remove the oil fill cap from the top of your engine. Next, slide your drain pan directly under the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Let the old oil drain completely into the pan, which may take several minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new. First, install your new oil filter, hand tightening it until snug, then give it an extra quarter turn. Reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it firmly. Now, carefully pour the new engine oil into the fill opening. Replace the oil cap, start the engine briefly, then check the oil level and for leaks. Dispose of the used oil responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.